Hello. So let me just show you some of the past AI work, the automations and AI agent that I have developed for one client, and I have done it for numerous clients. So this one, what it does, it gives AI content optimization suggestion. So it's very simple. Let me just run it for you and then show you. Let's say we want to make some suggestions for the content, meta title, meta description, the landing page for a client. So what is do is it just takes the landing page URL or the home page URL, whatever you want to submit. Once it is submitted, start running. The technical audit helps in giving the technical aspects of it. The content audit gives the reviews the content part of it and then gives the suggestion. So let's say WebFX itself is a very big digital marketing agency. So that's why I just did it for this website, and let's see what kind of suggestions we got. So these are the suggestions. So this one says headline meta description improvement. Consider making a headline more compelling by incorporating a unique selling proposition (USP). For example, unlock revenue growth with proven digital marketing strategies. Similar meta description, ensure a meta description is included that summarizes the core messages and drives example. Discover how. Okay, so one more thing, why it's in this format is client wanted to make sure that his team actually reviews it before implementing it. So that's why we came with beautiful solution that will give the output in Markdown, and here the preview will be in rendered HTML. So let me just show it for your ease. Keyword enhancement, keyword research, conduct keyword research to identify your own page suggestion. It has given interlinking suggestions. It had given content quality assessments, and it has done it on different matrices. Let's say flesh skin grade level, readability analysis, then reading ease, gunning folk index. So based on multiple indexes, it has given the scoring, and these are further recommendations that we have got. So this is the first automation, which was simple AI driven content optimization. So let me show you a few more. So similarly, I have created GA analysis here. What client wanted was client just wanted to chat with the agent and get the answers from analytics. So because it's very difficult for them to review everything. So tell me how many users I got in the past 1 month. So based upon that, it will just tell that how many users. So Ashburn this much, Detroit this much. Client wanted to do the analysis on the basis of city. So that's how it's giving the suggestions. So we can just literally ask any questions, and it saves a lot of time because whenever anyone comes with any report, client can easily check it. Similarly, this is SEO data extraction. So what it do is it runs on a weekly basis, right, and export the data from the Google Search Console and updates that into this. It gives the matrices of CTR and everything, and once that is given, then another automation helps in doing the analysis and it gives recommendations. So these are some of the a small automations that I have done for marketing purposes of a client. Now this is another client, but here what I have done is I have done it for WhatsApp customer support and sales. So what happens is whenever we receive any chat, it handles the chat and reply to that based upon the sheet which contains all the answers. Right? Let's say if someone wants to buy some a product from an e-commerce website and they have any question, so it checks the answer and replies back to the user. So this we are using for customer support, and client is very happy. So basically, they had four agents who were sitting on the WhatsApp replying to all the messages. Now the client has only one. So all the different type of queries which it cannot handle, the agent handles. For instance, someone just straight away sends the image and asks them agent to buy. on their behalf. So those type of complex tasks still agent do. But if someone asks for any questions, any URL or anything related to their website, the services, their products, so it's very simple. So this is another automation that I have done. Then there was a simple automation that client wanted. Like whenever we ask ChatGPT or any tool to write the content, it's very difficult, right? It doesn't include the website landing pages, or it doesn't include the reference pages properly, or you need to give prompt all the time, and team makes the mistake. So client wanted a simple solution. So here what we have done is, in this automation, it just asks for the client website URL, content required for whether it's for a blog or a location page, then the content topic, the focus keywords, the content length, Google Doc URL where you want the content to be exported, the reference URL, special instructions, and whether you want to add FAQs at the end or not. Once that is done, based upon the client's website and the reference URL, it writes a beautiful content. So basically, this one extracts the data of the website, this extracts the data of the reference page, then this merges, and after that, it writes the first draft. Then the first draft is given to this, it do the quality assurance, it increases the humanization in there, then we get the export in the Google Dot. So this is another very beautiful, and it has saved a lot of time for the client. He had three full-time content writers, and now they only have one. And we are improving it further. We are adding more complexities to it. But overall, yes, client is very happy with the work. So this is one more automation which is quite complicated, which I have made for the cover writing part of Upwork. So the cover that you saw is actually written by an AI. So I'm sure that you like the code. That's why you reached that job. And obviously, after once the cover is basically at a basic level written by the AI, I review it and improve it. But yes, I can create some very complex automations as well. Apart from this, like I can use other tools, Google Sheets, Make.com, Python to create automations as well. So far, I just showed you the N8 and workflow and automations. Thank you. Have a great day.